This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com.
Good morning, this is Chandler Rose with a quick fix for low back relief. A lot of us start our day feeling a little stiff in the low back, so this will help relieve any pain you might be feeling there. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. So let's get started with a breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And then just to get things warmed up, I'm going to have you take your arms from side to side. Little gentle twist here. Help wake things up. So our next step, I'm going to turn around and show you some self-massage for the low back. So take a deep breath here, and I want you to palpate your back. And we're all individuals, so you might have an area that's feeling more sore. It could be up high near the rib cage. And if that's the case, I want you to take your thumbs on either side of these muscles in the back, the erector spinae, and just push your thumbs in towards your spine to help warm things up. And then go all the way down towards your sacrum into your hips. And if you're feeling certain areas are feeling a little more sticky than the rest, feel free to stay in one spot and hold. So for me, I have a little more tension on my right side, so I'm going to let my left hand relax. And to find this spot, you can just simply bend at the hip, and you want your thumb in the place where your hip creases when you bend. So on the other side, it would look like this. And you're welcome to massage into either side or just stay on one if that feels more comfortable here. The next spot I want you to give a little attention to is the area just around the sacrum. So take your fingertips here and just gently massage into those connections. And if you feel soreness in a certain spot, you can just hold that for a couple seconds and take a breath. Breathing in and out through the mouth. So the next quick fix tip is this low back stretch. I'm going to take my palms on my hips or sacrum, just on your belt line, and then push your hips forward as you're leaning back. Remember to keep breathing. Let go for a moment. And let's do that one more time. This stretch isn't about making a deep back arch. It's about giving your hips more support to provide low back pain relief. So one more time, I'm just going to ground into my feet. Maybe you have a gentle bend in the knees. Push forward with my hips, supporting my back with my hands. Breathing. Coming up slowly, being mindful of your own back pain. So now that our low back is more warmed up and feeling some relief, go ahead and take your hands down at your quads. Give yourself a little massage here. I recommend being gentle with your knees and hips anytime you're doing self-massage or stretching. Just want to be very mindful of your own body. So now that our legs are a little more warmed up, I'm just gonna take you back into a couple warming twists. And you can let your arms hang if that feels good. And come back up. And exhale out. I hope your back is feeling better. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.